Today on Beautytap TV, we're taking a look at the grand opening of the very first Beautytap retail store.
Also, we sit down with makeup artist to the stars, Paul Anthony.
And we've got some great tips on how to create the perfect monolid makeup look. This is Beautytap TV.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
Hey guys, and welcome to the very first episode of Beautytap TV, where we are going to be discussing all things K-beauty. I'm Elaine Whae, and this handsome man next to me is Melin.
Thank you. Every week, we will be taking you on a journey into the world of K-beauty, where we will share with you tips and tricks and teaching you about what K-beauty really is.
Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like I'm seeing K-beauty everywhere. It's popped up in all the stores, and it's no longer just a fad in Korea. Why do you think that is?
K-beauty is very new, it's very fresh, it's very innovative, it's constantly changing. So I think with how big social media has been and how much that's part of our lives right now, K-beauty really lends itself to that type of narrative and that type of lifestyle.
It's such a big thing, and celebrities are using it, and they're actually all promoting K-beauty. I've seen Lady Gaga, I've seen Chrissy Teigen, Jessica Alba, they're all posting photos and selfies of them.
You have cleansers that not only cleanse the skin, but they're makeup removers. You have moisturizers that not only hydrate the skin, but also contain an SPF. So you really can have a wide range of products that do double duty, but you have that cosmeceutical doctor strength ingredients and functionality to back it up.
When would you say you first heard about K-beauty? Or what was the first product that you used?
K-beauty, well, K-beauty I think I probably heard about maybe a couple years ago, just from being a retail professional for 18 years and a licensed esthetician myself. I kind of have followed certain trends and know certain products that are in the industry, so I knew of K-beauty, but I wasn't really super familiar with it. Well, one of the things that I found that I really like about K-beauty is the sheet masks. I found that that is probably the most easy way to segue into K-beauty if you're unfamiliar with it. The thing that I love about the sheet mask is it's loaded with benefits, great for your skin, super easy to use.
Well, now knowing about your extensive background in retail, I'm sure you were super excited to hear about the new opening of the Beautytap retail store.
I was super excited, however, I have not been able to get down there yet.
Well, you're just in luck because we actually had our team capture the grand opening. Let's check out the video.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever.
So this is our grand opening of the first Beautytap retail store, and it's a big one. We have a ton of great Korean brands that we've curated from the community on our website. You know, beautytap.com, as you know, we're all about the community telling us what kind of products that they want to see. Actually, it's a place where people could come in, don't feel like they have to buy, don't feel like pressure, can learn about products, about K-beauty, and really just hang out. Take some pictures, enjoy. That's what this concept's about. It's for influencers to come in and do activations, for them to do filming.
Tokyo.
It's amazing because I loved her since I was like 10 years old, and now meeting her is like, I'm freaking out right now. Like I'm totally freaking out.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your
I'm really proud about today. Our staff, our team, amazing. They put this all together. None of this could happen without our team and our community. Everyone that supported us online, this couldn't have happened without them. And I think it's just a moment of being very proud of seeing Korean and Asian beauty and concepts come to the US market. It's very emotional for me, and I see so many happy faces that come in, and that's all I could ask for. So, I want to thank the fans, thank each one of you watching, and when you get a chance to come into LA, come visit our store at South Coast Plaza, Beautytap.
Oh my God, that looks amazing. I actually want to head down and try to beat traffic.
No.
So if
Hold on,
okay.
Chase, wait one moment.
Okay.
We actually have a very special guest joining us today. This amazing individual is a celebrity hair and makeup artist with over 20 years of experience in the beauty industry. He's worked with celebrities such as Cher, the Kardashians, J-Lo.
Okay, J-Lo, I'll stay.
And on top of that, his work has been featured in some of the most famous TV shows, photo shoots, and fashion magazines. Please welcome Paul Anthony.
Thank you for having me. Exciting.
It's so exciting. How are you doing today? We heard that you just got back from Puerto Rico.
Yes.
How was it, and what were you doing there?
Well, I was just judging the Miss Universe Puerto Rico pageant.
Wow.
It was amazing. It was like a full circle. I was a young kid. I used to, I don't know, in our country, it's like the Olympics. We're seeing these beauties, and who's gonna win and going to the Miss Universe. It's something that I always thought, boy, maybe one day when I grow up, I can be a judge, and it happened. It happened this couple weeks ago,
That's amazing.
Exciting.
That's so exciting.
Yes, yes.
And we are also so excited to have you here because you've had such an exceptional career working with some amazing brands, popular celebrities. What would you say is your philosophy?
My philosophy has always been beauty. Beauty, working with skin. As a makeup artist, one of the things for me so important is hydration. Hydration. And it's easier when you're working with some skin that's already prepared and hydrated and the skin is taken care of because then you use less. You don't have to pile so much makeup on top of their skins.
Okay.
And what happens is that you just, with a little bit, you get it far away.
Right.
And I love, it's about their beauty. It's not taking away what they are and who they are as people and as their beauty as a person. I like to work with their features, bring out the best of their cheekbone or their lips or their eyes.
Right.
That's something I've always thought and I respect with somebody when I'm working with somebody. The integrity of the beauty of the person.
Of course, some natural beauty.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Are there any specific K-beauty products that you like to implement into your own work?
Mask. I love the mask. It's just, it gives you such great hydration. So when you take the mask off, you just have all that hydration within the skin gets more flawless. So when you're preparing the skin with the mask, afterwards, when you apply, like, you're gonna put the primer and the moisturizer, then you're gonna put the foundation, it just makes it easier. The product just glides in itself. And I love when the product just doesn't stay still. It just moves with the skin and just becomes one with the skin. That's what I love about it.
That's amazing. Okay, so we want to know if the rumors are true. We've heard that you are very well known for your lavish lashes. So tell us a little bit about that.
It's funny, many years ago, a lot of people, when I would put the individual lashes, if not the strip, I always try to look for it the most natural way it can look, without looking overdone, not weighing the eye down. Sometimes you see that some people, when they put lashes, the eye becomes heavy. I like the eye to be more open, to open the eye. So basically, it's how you apply it. If you have to cut the strips, if you have to apply individuals, just looking at the shape of the eye, what's most important, to try to find out where you can open the eye, maybe be towards the end, maybe more into the middle, different lengths of the lashes. It's just learning to study each person individually, and this is how you apply the lashes that it can look so natural and without looking over exaggerated.
What would you say are some of the trend changes that have happened over the years with lashes?
The fun thing about makeup and products is that you can play. And through playing, you discover what looks best on you.
Definitely.
And I think the trend is, for me, and my trend is always gonna be its style. I know fashion is ongoing, it always change, and I love change. But style is something that when you discover it within yourself, it's something that you use and you always twitch and change and pull, but it's something that doesn't take away the style of who you are. And when you see these people walk into a room like a Jennifer Lopez or a Natalie Portman and all these beautiful women, you say, wow, they still are who they are, but with a touch of beauty.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Okay, Paul, industry secret. What is the hottest look right now?
I think what you're seeing a lot on the runways right now is a lot of color. You know, women are becoming more bold, but at the same time, bold but beautiful. You're seeing the liners with colors. You're seeing pop of color like purples and pinks that I love. I love that. And you're seeing as well, coming back a little bit, the matte shadows, eyeshadows. They still have the shimmer. Don't get me wrong, we still have a little shimmer going on, but you're seeing that people are going back to using more matte tones as well, and they're having fun with it, you know, and it's cool. I think that's what's fun about makeup, you know, you can do so much. But I think the trend is you're seeing it on the runway right now is a lot of color and bold, you know, great eyeliners and color.
You have to make it fun.
Oh yeah.
Being playful.
Definitely.
Being playful.
Above everything, you know, I think you can't take it seriously. You have to have fun, even though some people get upset. No, I don't like this, I don't like that. You know what? Everybody has their own style.
Right, do
Just
you.
Find and do you. Yes.
Absolutely.
So without divulging too much, what are some upcoming projects or some maybe secret things that you're working on that you could share with us?
A lot of great things are happening for me, thank God, in my career. But one of the things I'm working is on my brand. I still have the passion from the first day I started doing what I'm doing. And it wakes me up every morning and I'm very in love with what I do, you know, and blessed to work with the people that I work with.
So thank you so much, Paul, for joining us today. We are so excited to hear about all of your secrets, and we're definitely going to take a lot of these tips back with us.
Thank you for having me. It's a great pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And now we're moving from lashes to lids, monolids that is. And for those of you who are unaware of what a monolid is, it refers to a specific eyelid shape that lacks a prominent crease.
Some people with monolids might find it challenging to recreate certain makeup looks, but have no fear because
Today we have a makeup tutorial that's going to show you how to pull off a flawless, natural monolid makeup look.
such a cute video. I loved all those tips and tricks.
Definitely, and I hope you guys try this look out at home.
Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode. And don't forget to become part of the Beautytap community. Go to beautytap.com to register. Also, check us out on Instagram at BeautyTapOfficial.
Join us next week for more talk, tips, and tutorials. See you guys next
Bye.
time. Bye.
Love is forever.